Ali Najam asks, when exactly should I start going through your high yield PDFs for USMLE, before or after starting the NBME exams? I can answer this very quickly and concisely. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Help grow this channel. Share with one of your friends who's prepping for USMLE. Help bring awareness to this channel. Hit the like button. Hit the bell if you want notifications. Find me on Instagram, Mehlman_medical, MEHLMAN_medical. Link is down below. Also find us on Telegram. Recently created a Telegram group. Link is also down below. Now let me address the question, which is Ali Najam asks, how exactly should we go through your high yield PDFs for USMLE before or after starting the NBMEs? And the answer is, my PDFs can be done at any time, okay? Like, they really can be. I recommend using my high yield PDFs throughout your prep, okay? So if you're super early, you have zero fucking foundation whatsoever, you could literally just whip out my cardio high yield PDF or my immuno PDF, and they are friendly enough in terms of the language that I use, okay? I'm not overly technical. Just listen to how I'm speaking, okay? Like, I write in my PDFs as though I'm chatting with you, and they're easy to go through. So whether you're early in your prep or whether you're late in your prep and you need concise review, you can do them at any point, okay? And alongside the NBMEs, you can annotate into my PDFs. That's also something I highly recommend, okay? They're for free on my site under the free stuff tab, and excellent, excellent resource, okay? They're better than first aid. Obviously, people will think I'm biased, but I'm being candid and my intent is good, okay? I created the resources, my PDFs, going through all the offline NBME material, incorporated some online stuff, and also improvised with my 9+ years of tutoring at the time of this clip. Okay, so as I said, we'll keep this clip concise. You can go through my PDFs at any stage. I recommend integrating them into your prep. If you like my stuff, subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate your time. That's it.